to my DIY Christmas series videos. Today, our star is this Christmas topper, this star Christmas topper that I have previously mentioned on my first DIY video. I am going to put some designs on this Christmas topper, star topper, but before we directly move to designing this star topper, I will be sharing with you a very short clip, okay, and on how I formed this star topper. So this is the finished product of our star topper, star Christmas topper. So as you can see, the theme of this design is gold and pink. I think it's too girly, but I'm satisfied with how it looks. So I hope you like this project, DIY project. and I hope you can also make your own, so that no longer buy a star Christmas topper, so that you can save up, right? So that's it for today's DIY project, the Christmas tree star topper. So, and you can make on your own design. Okay, so you can make your own design if you want. If you want other color, then you can do it as well. So I think that would be it for our video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this DIY project, please give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my new channel. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next DIY project. Bye.